Hello friends and welcome to another video lesson from DBOS Talks. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe and click the bell so that you can be notified of new uploads. In this video, we'll be learning how to do certain things in Windows when we're in a rush. So typically we could be taking our own sweet time, but there are times when we really need to rush, and during those times, the use of key combinations, called combination keys, can usually be faster than using the mouse. Okay, so we will look at a few of those options that we have that we can use in our work. Okay, so the first thing we can look into is this. If you want to instantly lock your desktop, laptop, Windows, then you can use this key combination or combination of the Windows key and the letter L, not necessarily uppercase L, but Windows key. And while it's pressed, you press on the letter L. So I cannot demo that right now because if I do this, then it will lock the desktop and it will not be captured in the video properly. Okay, just remember to instantly lock the desktop or the laptop Windows plus L. Okay, the second one we will look at is something familiar to some of you if you've seen one of my other videos. Okay, so instantly show desktop. So there'll be times when we have so many applications open and we wanted to just look at the desktop to get clarity, to maybe look for some files saved in the desktop or even desktop shortcuts. So to do that, you press on the Windows key plus the letter D, not necessarily uppercase, but just the letter D, Windows plus D. Okay, so it minimizes all open applications. And if you wanted to reverse the effect of that and you want to bring back up all those applications, then you can do the same thing. The same key combination, Windows plus D. Okay, so you can use it to instantly show desktop. You can use it to instantly hide desktop. So this is the third one. Okay, so if you notice, the second and the third are both using the Windows plus D key combination, but meaning you can conversely use it either to show the desktop or hide the desktop. Meaning show the desktop is the equivalent of minimizing all applications, and hide the desktop is the equivalent of showing applications, all of the applications that you have previously minimized. Okay, so that's the third. The fourth one we'll be looking at, which is in the theme of when you're in a rush in Windows and you want to do things very quickly, is this. Instantly capture a screenshot of everything. So if you do that, to do this, when you go to your keyboard, you look for this key, which is shown in at least two different ways. Sometimes it's PRT-SC, which is short for print screen, or in some keyboards it would be PRSC, and maybe for some it could be PRSER. In any case, there are only a few combinations that you can look out for, and it's quite clear, it's quite easy to catch. So you can just, if you wanted to again capture everything that you see on your desktop, then you just go ahead and press the print screen button. So I'll do that now. I did that now. Once you click the print screen button, the image has been captured in the clipboard. And when you go to a Windows application, which is like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, then you can paste. See, so we have, it pastes whatever you have captured with the screenshot command. Okay, so that is the number 4 shortcut. I mean, thing we learned, which is to instantly capture everything in a screenshot. Okay, So the fifth is this. To instantly capture a screenshot of the current application. So if you will look at this, I have three applications open: Calculator, Excel, and Microsoft Word. Right now, the topmost application that you see is the Word. I can type a few words there, that's to be more realistic. And now, so again, the topmost or active application in our view now is the Microsoft Word. So if I press this combination of Alt plus print screen, you don't need to press Alt. While Alt is pressed down or held down, you press on the print screen button. So I'll do that now. Alt, print screen. So it captures something in to the clipboard, and that something is the active application. Okay. So even though I have three applications open, Calculator, Excel, and Word, the Alt print screen, the combination of these two keys, will only capture a screenshot of the active application. Let's do that again. I will make the calculator the topmost application, okay? And then I will press on Alt print screen. So again, that's captured into the clipboard. And then when I do a paste on any regular MS Office suite applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, then because I did an Alt print screen, it only captured a screenshot of the topmost or active application at that time of capturing. Okay, so that's the fifth thing we're learning in this video called In a Rush in Windows. And all of these deal with key combinations or combinations keys that we could employ, we could use if we wanted to do things very quickly in Windows. Okay, the sixth one that we're learning in this video is this one. Instantly open the task manager. The task manager, if you're not familiar with it, is a handy application or tool of Windows, which allows you to see what applications are running, as well as to monitor their performances, their usage of resources, and also gives you the option to terminate badly behaving application, meaning it's just hanging, freezing, taking up memory, but not doing anything productive for us. So you can end task that application. Okay, so to instantly open Task Manager, we do a combination. We use the combination of Control, Shift, and Escape. So three keys: Control, Shift, and Escape. Okay, so when I did that, it opened for me the Task Manager. Okay, and it shows in the Task Manager the running applications. Okay, so let me do it again. Control, Shift, Escape. Okay. So when you do that combination, it opens the Task Manager. So in this video, we've learned a couple of things. In fact, 6 things, combination keys or key combinations, we can call them, that will make our life easier when using Windows. The first one is instantly locking a desktop, the desktop or laptop. Second is instantly showing the desktop. Third is instantly hiding the desktop. The fourth is to instantly capture screenshot of everything. The fifth is to instantly capture the screenshot of the current application or the topmost application. And the sixth is to instantly open Task Manager. There you have it. And I hope you learned something new from this video presentation. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I do suggest you subscribe because there'll be a lot coming up in the coming weeks. We'll be releasing a video every week, and there are a couple of playlists in this channel. A playlist is a collection of related videos. In this case, all videos that are more on the tech category. Okay, so see you in the next video.